Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Turtle Beach Stealth 500 headset to your PS5. First, take the USB wireless transmitter that comes with your headset. Plug it into any available USB port on your PS5 console. You can use the front or back port, whichever is more convenient for you. Now, pick up your headset. Press and hold the power button for a few seconds until the LED light turns on. This means the headset is powered and ready to connect. Once the headset is on, it should automatically pair with the USB transmitter. You do not need to press any extra buttons. Just give it a few seconds. When the connection is successful, you will see a solid green light on the transmitter. This confirms that your headset is connected properly. Next, we need to make sure your PS5 is using the headset for audio. On your PS5, go to Settings. Then scroll down and select Sound. After that, choose Audio Output. Inside Audio Output, look for the Output Device option. Make sure it is set to Turtle Beach Stealth 500. If it is not selected, choose it from the list. Once selected, your game audio and chat audio will go through your headset. Thanks for watching.